a lot of us have been asking, how can I earn in dollars? What can I do to earn in foreign currencies? In this video, we are going to talk about 5 websites how you can earn $200 every week just by teaching English. The English you and I speak every day, you can earn in dollars teaching other people how to speak English. If this is the first time you are watching my video, my name is Chiamaka, and on my channel we talk about everything concerning money, from the mindset you should have to how to invest so that your money can work well for you. Alright, if that is what you are interested in, I would like to specially welcome you to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Now, I have somebody who told me that he has earned as high as $30,000 just by teaching people how to speak English. So I have my laptop here with me, and we are going to go through all these websites in order to show you how you can apply. I will also have links to these websites in the description of this video. So if you're ready, let's head on to it. The first website is called OiKid. This platform basically teaches Chinese children English language. So if you know your English is super clear, go ahead and register and start to teach. So let's go to join OiKid. Yeah, so when you click on there, it's gonna fill out a form where you can input your name, your country, your phone number, your email address, and you upload your resume or your portfolio. And then they are going to ask you to do a 1-minute introductory video that would also help them to know which of the children to classify you in as a tutor. So let's head on to the second website, and that is called Verbling. Alright, on this platform, I have somebody who has earned as high as $30,000 educating people, teaching people just how to speak English, online tutoring jobs. So all you have to do is either you click here to become a tutor, or you go all the way here, and here you see teach online with Verbling. As you can see here, you can earn as low as $2 per hour up to $35 per hour. Alright, so let's click on become a tutor. The steps are: you create your profile, you get approved, and then you start to teach and you start to earn. Alright, so and oh yeah, you also have the opportunity to set your own rates. They also give you the opportunity to grow professionally. Alright, they not only give you the opportunity to teach and also earn, you have the opportunity to grow professionally. You click on create a tutor profile, and then you register your account, and in 5 working days your account is definitely going to be approved. So let's head on to the third platform that will give you the opportunity to earn over $200 every week. Is called Italki. Italki. These people are very particular on the type of tutor they want to have on their platform. So they are going to ask you a series of questions before you even begin to register. And here they said, before applying, check if your teaching language is open for application. So you click on check the list. Is my language open for application? Here you see Chinese is closed, English is closed, French is closed, Dutch, see here we have Dutch. So if you know how to speak Dutch, now is your opportunity. Hausa here, which is closed, Igbo is closed, Nigerian Pidgin is closed. This means that a lot of Nigerians are on this platform and are really making use of these opportunities to earn over $200 every week, right? So in order to know when all these languages will be open, you have to consistently check the website to know when your own language will be open. These guys are really intentional about the type of people that they allow to teach on their platform. The fourth platform is called Verbling, Verbling, Verbling. Right. So on this platform, it says they apply to teach and earn money teaching your language online and anywhere, right? You have the opportunity to set your own rates. You also have the opportunity to teach at your own flexibility, right? Either you want it as a full-time job or as a part-time job. And if you want to apply, you can either click on apply now, or you click on this Verbling application. The final platform that you can easily earn $200 from is called Cambly, Cambly. Cambly. It says tutor with Cambly and get paid to chat with people from all around the world. And it doesn't require any teaching certificate. You don't need to have any teaching experience to apply to this platform. All right, and here it says get paid weekly, and for every minute you spend chatting, you make 70 cents per minute. So every hour you get to make $10 to $12 for every hour that you chat. So to start applying, you click on get started. Right, so you put in your email address and your password, and then you create accounts and then create your own profile. Alright guys, I hope you'll be able to try out at least 2 of these platforms to know which one would work really well for you. And please check the link in the description to know which one you want to apply to. Alright, if you really enjoyed this video, I would like for you to please like this video, and if this type of video is the one that you enjoy watching, I would like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you once again for joining, and I hope to see you in my next video. I hope it's nice.